Hey guys, and welcome to the Scale. So in today's lesson, we're going to be creating memes. If you have enjoyed my infographics video, you will enjoy this one, as memes is a common way of conveying one's message. They are heavily used with ads. They can be used with on-site banners. They enrich your articles, blog posts, and pages. And they're just in many ways a better way of promoting your affiliate products. And this was generated with help of AI. It's a 2-button meme, and I'll show you a 3-step process of how to do that. Starting with Perplexity, you just need to have a collection of memes to feed into the AI. This is the prompt that you can use. Give me an exhaustive list of 50 most popular recent memes of 2025-2024 with a detailed description of each one. And Perplexity usually does a pretty good job at coming up with memes descriptions. Symphony Dolphins, Moo Dang, The Rizzler, Kamala Coconut, Peep the King Bone, and the list goes on. And you can retry it multiple times until you get to 20, 30, 40, or 50 different prompts. You can also try and ask different LLMs. They will most likely come up with different lists and then combine them. So it doesn't really matter which LLM you choose. Your goal is to get a list of 20, 30, preferably 50 different memes, their textual description. So this is step number 1. Then you go to ChatGPT and you need to create a GPT. Mine is called WAS Meme GPT, but we'll create one from scratch, so explore GPTs, then create. Let's call it Memezilla for some reason. I like this name, Memezilla GPT. And then, this is quite an elaborate prompt. It goes, you are a seasoned professional, direct response marketing writer. Your job is to generate ad copy that drives interest, speaks to the hearts of consumers, and blah, blah, blah. And I'm feeding in 3 of the marketing frameworks. One is called the 4 C's, which stands for clear, concise, compelling, and incredible. The other 2 is problem, agitate, solve, and star, story, solution. And then I'm saying here are the most popular memes that you should be using. And this is my list of memes. Then you click on create, and basically you have created your own meme generator. This is step 2. I won't be creating one because I have one already. I'll just show you how it works. Now what you need to do is have a product in mind. Mine is Text Humanizer. So what I'll do is suggest 3 most suitable memes to convey a message about best text humanizer that can easily bypass Turnitin. And this Memezilla or whatever is gonna find the most relevant memes out of the list. So it's suggesting me the Grimace Shake meme. It's gonna tell you the visual, the text, the reason why it works. The second one is I wouldn't tell anyone I won the lottery, but there will be science meme. And the Smoking Duck meme is the third. Let's just use the second one, and you can rerun this if you don't think these 2 are very suitable. You can just rerun this prompt, and now it's suggesting you will last an hour in the asylum. I wouldn't tell anyone I won lottery, and brain scan. You just go with the second one, doesn't really matter because it's a trial and error. Next, what you can do is give me a detailed text prompt. Let's just go for each and every one. Let's generate them all and let's see which ones stands out the best. Give me a detailed text prompt for the above memes to be used in an AI image generation software to produce a meme. Here are detailed text prompts. Okay, looking good. 1, 2, and 3. And to produce the actual memes, we'll be using a diagram because it works with text beautifully. So let's just copy everything. We'll go, you will last an hour in the asylum meme, and then the description. Let's go for quality, model 2, and I'll be using 16:9 aspect ratio. Although I can probably get away with this aspect ratio as well. Let's try that. And while we are at it, you can use Leonardo AI. It does tend to produce very beautiful images. The only problem that I have is that it doesn't work with text as well as ideogram, but the recent Phoenix 1.0 model is actually much better than it used to be. So let's just feed in the same prompt. Let's use the same aspect ratio. Let's just compare the results. So generation complete. You will last an hour in the asylum where they raised me. Turnitin thought it caught me, but I'm built different. Another kind of horror-like style. This one is good. Turnitin thought it caught me, but I'm built different. So they all have the same text. I don't see any spelling mistakes. And yeah, this one actually, it's pretty good, guys. What do you think? I think this is pretty good. Okay, so this is what I'm saying with Leonardo. It's a little bit more cinematic, but you immediately see all the problems with text, and it just doesn't look as meme-like, so it doesn't have the cartoonish quality. Maybe we should use other models like concept art or graphic design, but again, I've gotten the best results with Ideogram. Let's now see the second meme. Same settings. Okay, generation is complete. I wouldn't tell anyone I won the lottery, but there will be signs. Okay, this one is pretty good, although lots of text. Me after using the best text humanizer to pass Torrentine. Okay. Me after using the best humanizer to pass Torrentine. And this would need correction as far as text, but I would probably take... it's a coin toss between these two. This one is great also, actually. Yeah, they're all good. Okay, finally, the brain scan one. Let's give this one a 16:9. Maybe AI needs more space to introduce additional elements. We'll just compare the results. Okay, Torrentine brain scan when it sees my 100% original submission. Okay, Torrentine's brain scan when it sees my 100% original submission. Error 404. And obviously, whatever ChatGPT gives you, you can edit it. You can see if this makes sense. This giant prompt that I feed into the custom GPT will be in my custom ChatGPT library. You have to subscribe to my newsletter to get it. But all in all, I'm pretty happy. These are the previous ones. They all look pretty good to me. And yeah, so guys, to recap, step number 1, you go to Perplexity or an LLM that is connected to the internet and look for the latest list of most popular LLMs. Then you take the giant prompt and you create a custom GPT based off of that. Or you can create a Claude project, whatever, or a Perplexity space even. And then you go to Ideogram and you create the actual meme. And this is how it's done. Hope this was helpful. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.